Skinny! Skinny! Skinny!
Who that?
Skinny! I'm Lee, man.
Where you going with Lee? True. Where you going with?
You know what? I want to give you one thought though.
With bad Lee. For true. Hey, a long time I don't see now. How breeze blow around here for true?
Yeah, Skinny, you know, sir. I want to say something to you though.
Oh, go on, I know. I know nobody trouble you. Cause I know I think go already for true.
Oh, man.
Oh, cause I'm a G enough on school days. I like true. Yeah, man. I always have to look out for my G. But say they go with.
You know what I say? I want money more for borrow though.
Money?
Yeah. No, if you stay,
For 5 bills?
No, man.
So much money I talk boy, you know. Yeah, borrow.
$3,500.
3,500.
Some gas more buy if you put in our work and get a piece of work.
3,500 kind of steep, you know, cause between me and still I sit me I deal with. I have some money still, but I sitting differently important me I go deal with. So I don't like me can just give it. You know, me can't. I don't want to learn anything about me can't learn because I have a local business more and deal with. And it's important, so I can't big man thing. I really want to learn a little, but it's important more and deal with it. For true. No, for true, man. I tell her.
Yeah, go get it back, my G. Yeah, go get it back. No worry, I go get it back.
Yeah, no. Lee, I don't like me no want to lend any money, you know. Cause me I hear what you say when you say what you say, you know, for true, you know. But me have a business more and deal with so for true. Alright, so like what you say, you would give me back. Like when would I get it back?
Tomorrow you don't get it back.
Tomorrow?
Tomorrow.
For true.
True.
Are you sure say tomorrow I get it back?
Sure say tomorrow I get it back.
You know that. You they talk about your money for lending. When you get money for lending, and every day they tell me say, wow, money for go doing business. I know when they talk about when they lend money. And look, young but no hard time. And when the hard time comes, I sorry for him coming. I know when you get money for lending.
Alright, Lee, it's true. I know you stay and I know you as a real G, so for true. Now go for it and make you get it. So you're sure say I get it tomorrow?
Sure say I get it.
For true. Alright.
Hello, where you going?
Eh?
Where you going?
A piece of money I go for lend my friend, Gamma.
But me tell you, say you not feel lend what you don't have. Because if you lend what you don't have, you're not going to get through. You must be careful because you must know the friend that you keep.
Yeah, I'm a friend, Grandma, man. May I get it back?
You sure?
Yeah, may I get
Well,
it
I
back?
am telling you this, that the good Lord
Yes,
is
Grandma.
good and He guide you, but if you don't good to yourself, He will not good to you. So I'm asking you, please, know the friend that you keep.
Yes, Grandma. I'm a friend, man. I'm cool. She alright, man. A good girl.
She?
Yeah, a good girl.
She?
Yeah.
She?
Yes, Grandma.
Oh my, I think it was a young fellow. You
No,
want
I
to help
don't like
her.
man friend. I don't,
Why?
Because then it's a man friend, bad influence, and you always teach me right thing, Grandma. Say stay away from company.
Yes.
Yeah, that's
But
why
it's
I
not
get
every
friend
man.
with a girl. Cause the girl them, people will say, oh, you and them are there and there something, but me have
You have to know.
girlfriend.
You have to know.
Yes, Grandma.
So I'm asking you, please, you to know what you're doing,
Yes, Grandma.
okay? Because the time is very serious.
Yes, Grandma.
And young people don't business with God. They crucify Him afresh.
True, Grandma.
So, as you is my grandson,
Yes, Grandma.
I am asking you, please, to be careful.
Yes, Grandma.
Because the world is coming to an end.
Yes, Grandma.
And if you don't know the good Lord before the time comes,
Yes, Grandma.
I am so sorry for you because you're not going to get the crown.
Yes, Grandma.
And I want you to get the crown.
Yes,
so be
Grandma.
careful.
I'm gonna be the king, Grandma.
I hope that.
Yeah.
Hello,
Yes,
my
Grandma.
grandson.
Yes, Grandma.
I am telling you today,
Yeah.
be careful. If you don't have it,
Yeah.
don't lend it.
Me have it, Grandma. Me have
No, you have it.
it. Yes, Grandma.
And you're sure to lend it and get it back?
Yes, grandma. She give me tomorrow. She give me back for choo, grandma.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I wish you everything that is
Grandma,
good.
top for yourself now.
I wish you everything that is good. I
Yes,
have to
grandma.
worry because I love you.
Yes, grandma.
And
Me
because
love
I
grandma.
love you, I don't want you to get in any danger.
Yes,
I
grandma.
want you walking the right and proper way, knowing that the Lord is coming.
Yes, grandma.
And if you don't pick your choice, you will be outside.
Grandma, you know what side I'm on? And I'm on the right side, the light side, the Lord side.
I love that.
Yes, grandma. Know yourself, grandma, man. Everything alright.
Okay. All right, my grandson. I love you very much.
Alright, grandma. For choo.
All right.
Hey, watch your style now. I'm savings, you know, as me tell us, it's a business, me have a deal with it, is it? So watch your style now, just make sure me get it back tomorrow for sure.
Don't worry yourself, my G. I go get back to you tomorrow.
Just get the gas, man, and deal with the business, man. Because you ever work, you know? You ever work?
Me that, man. Me that.
Alright, we link up, man, you see it?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.